What else do you do other than work with one-to-one with families?
So as well as the one-to-one support that we offer, we also provide sleep training for professionals around Bradford and Craven and Rochdale as well, don't we? We provide family workshops for families with children who are struggling with their sleep. We also provide coffee mornings, sleep chats. We even write sleep vlogs for the Happy Linen Company. Yeah, I think that's about it. Is there anything I've missed?
Did you say we do it online as well?
Yeah, so we do with our training and our family workshops. Actually, we can offer them online, sort of over Zoom, or we can offer them in person as well. You know, we do a real mixture of in-person work and online work, don't we? So. Yeah, we're very busy.
Yeah.
It's just really developed. We were just doing assessments, and then suddenly we were doing training and then family workshops and
I know what else we do as well. We go to like events, don't we? Like we go to the autism show and things like that as well.
That's
so.
nice. And different little exhibitions or send marketplace events. Yeah.
Oh, and there was that other thing that I did recently as well, where it was really bespoke, where it was that small, in the Knowsley ones, they were really small little groups. That was really nice.
Yeah. Quite a lot. And when we do, when we say professionals training as well, it's just any professionals that work with children, with teenagers, young people, that can attend those training courses with us.
So we have people from CAMS, we have
Doctors.
family support workers, we have doctors, nurses, school nurses, health visitors, anyone really, like I say, who works with families. You might come across sleep problems.